Good morning everyone. It's your maths class for class 7, unit number 8, algebraic expression. Now today we start exercise 8A, question number 1. Question number 1, identify each of the following. Variable, constant, literal, coefficient. Okay, in the question, page number 82, question number 1, expressions are given. Identify it and write in the separate column. First expression, a square plus 2ab. So a square is a power or exponent. Variable, any alphabet. Okay, any alphabet A, B, P, Q, X, it's called variable. So in this expression, variable A and B. A, B variable, A, B variable, 2 coefficient. Okay, 2 coefficient, a b variable, a square is given, but power 2 is given, but in the heading in the question it's not written power. Only identify variable, constant, literal and coefficient. That's why in first expression ab variable and 2 coefficient. A square coefficient is not given, it means hidden coefficient 1. Okay. Number 2, 6 is given. In expression 6 is constant, a fixed number, a fixed value is called constant. So 6 is constant, we write over here. Number 3, 4a square, 4 coefficient, a variable. Part D, only y is given, y variable. In part E, 6a plus 2y, so 6 and 2 coefficient, a and y variable. Now part F, P pen. In literal, unknown value. Okay, according to the definition, a literal is an unknown value or number. So P pen, it's a kind of literal. We write in literal P pens. Next one, part G, x square plus 2x square plus 3y. So in this part x, y variable, 2, 3 coefficient, minus 46, so it's fixed number, constant, minus p variable, x goal literal, x goals, it's called literal. Done all parts. Okay, first expressions are given in the question. So according to the definition, expression is a combination of constant, variable, power expression connected by the sign plus or minus. Variable, any alphabet. Okay, in algebra, a letter of English A, P, Q, X, Y, it's called variable. Constant, in arithmetic, a symbol with a fixed number, fixed value like 6, 46, any number, it's called constant. A literal is an unknown number or value by an alphabet like P pen, X goal, Y books. Coefficient, it's a fraction, factors of group. Done question number 1, page number 82. Now we start question number 2. This one, question number 1 done. Now we start question number 2. Identify the following expression which is given in question number 2, page number 92. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. Okay, identify it. Already I explained in the video. Monomial only one term, binomial two terms, trinomial three terms, and more than three terms, polynomial. Okay, now we identify 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, more than. Now first one, more than three terms, polynomial. Answer of this one, polynomial. 1, 2, only two terms, binomial. Binomial. 1, 2, 3 terms, trinomial. Now 1, 2, 3 terms, again this one also trinomial. Only one term, monomial. One, two terms, binomial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, more than three terms, multinomial or polynomial. 1, 2 term, binomial. 1 term, monomial. The last one, trinomial, three terms, J1, three terms, trinomial. Done question number 2. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. Monomial has only one term, binomial has only two terms, trinomial has only three terms, and multinomial or polynomial has more than three terms. Okay, class 7, done question number 2.